captain said on 12th of April at 9 a.m. one of the passengers sadly passed away, and he said it was due to natural causes and we are not infectious. Continued. We again kept eating our breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the dining room all together, and it was open buffet. We didn't wear any masks. We were not told to wear masks, and they conducted group activities, lecture sessions as usual. The wife of this gentleman also passed away because she got the illness from her husband probably, and right shortly after that moment, I think ship management came to know that there is a contagious disease on board.